The main function of the lathe, we remove the unknown material, form of the shapes to get the required size and shape. The job is fixed rigidly. The job is moving against of the tool. We remove the shapes, form of the shapes. The tool should be hardened than workpiece. So type of the lathe: center lathe, capsule lathe, turret lathe, semi-automatic lathe, automatic lathe, then special purpose lathe. That is a type of the lathe. So then parts of the lathe: lathe, bed, carriage, edge stock, tail stock. This is the parts of the bed. So I explained the parts of the bed. So this is the neck. So there should be all load of the machines. So we should be the bed. So should be the leg. The leg is cast iron. The bed of the leg is cast iron. So this is the bed. So the bed is available three types of the bed. One is the flat bed, another is the V bed, then third is the combination bed. We see the bed. So this flat here, only flat is available, is called the flat bed. The flat bed is using for carpentry lathe. So wood turning lathe is using for the flat bed. Then the V bed, only V is available, that is called the V bed. V bed is available for heavy duty machines. The heavy duty operation we should be using for the V bed. Then third is the combination bed. You see that is the combination bed. One is the V, another is the flat. One is the V, another is the flat, another is the V, another is the flat. So one V, one flat, one V, one flat. That is called the combination bed. So this is a carriage. That there is the two guideways. That is the outer guideways. What the outer V and the outer flat is called the outer guideways. Inner flat and the inner V is called the inner guideways. The outer guideways is moving for the carriage. The outer guideways moving for the carriage. The inner guideways moving for the tail stock. The tail stock is moving for inner guideways. So the bed, the two corner is available. One end is called edge stock, another end is called the tail stock. So the made of the bed is cast iron, hollow, nickel chromium material. That is the main, that is the edge stock. The main operation, the running operation should be available for the edge stock. So one spindle is available, the long spindle. The spindle is all nickel chromium hollow steel. The material is nickel chromium hollow steel. The front of the face of the spindle is available for the thread. We fix the work holding device. That is one type of the work holding device. So the work holding device is fixed into the front of the spindle. Then that is the bearing is available. That is a two bearing is available. One is the bearing is taper roller bearing. One is front of the spindle, another is end of the spindle. So next, that is called the bull gear. The bull gear is permanently fixed into the spindle with the help of screw. Is permanently fixed. The base of the spindle is available for one pin. You see that one pin is available. That pin's name is called the plunger pin. The use of the plunger pin, that is called the stepped cone pulley. The stepped cone pulley engage and disengage using for the plunger pin. So this is the stepped cone pulley. The stepped cone pulley is available three types of the different diameter, then opposite side. So the use of the stepped cone pulley, the rotating the spindle work holding device, different speed. So we see that the diameter is the big, that is the small. We rotate one full revolution, we rotate 2 or 3 times rotation. So the step in the speed will be increased. Then another step we reduce the speed, another is again reduce the speed. This the 3 speed is available. This 3 speed is called the direct speed. Then next, that pin, the one gear is available. That gear is called the cone gear. That gear is called cone gear. The gear is fixed into the stepped cone pulley. So then again this two gear is available. That gear is called the back gear. The gear is called back gear. So then another bearing is available. Then this gear is called the spindle gear. This gear is called spindle gear. Then this three gear is available. This three gear is called tumbler gear. This three gear is called tumbler gear. So we see that the stepped cone, the machine is available. In this machine is available for the 6 speed. 3 is the direct speed. Another 3 is the indirect speed. That means the gear speed. So listen, the plunger pin is released. I release the plunger pin. So this is no use. The stepped cone pulley is no use. That time the spindle is rotating. The spindle only rotating. So it's not running. So I engage the back gear. So I engage the back gear. I engage the back gear. The stepped cone pulley. This the cone gear is working. The cone gear is connecting to the back gear. The back gear is connecting here. We come into the main spindle. So this speed is the indirect speed, the gear speed. So the direct speed is the 3 speed. The indirect speed is the another 3 speed for this machine. Some machine is the 4 step is available. 4 different speed is available. So listen, I explained the direct speed. So I want the direct speed. Disengage the back gear. The back gear is disengaged and connecting the stepped cone pulley and bull gear will be the connecting. So one pin is available. I rotate the pin inside. So I rotate it. So it's joined it. So the stepped cone pulley and both gear is joined it. I start, the belt is tight. I start the power. The motor will be stopped. The cone pulley is available, connecting the wheel belt. The power is coming to this cone pulley. The cone pulley is against this cone pulley. The spindle is rotating. So I start the machine. So we rotate it. That is the direct speed. So that speed is available to one is the forward and another is the reverse. The belt is rotate opposite side is reverse direction is rotate. The center is the half. So I want the another speed, then lose the belt, then we change the belt. This pulley is available, the speed is next speed. The 3 speed is available, that is called the direct speed. I want this indirect speed, that is the gear speed. I remove the plunger pin. So it's freely rotate. I connecting the back gear. I join the back gear. So the belt is tight. That time the stepped cone pulley and cone gear is rotate. The cone gear is supplied to the back gear. Back gear is connecting this gear. We connect to the pull gear. We rotate the indirect speed. So I start. We slowly rotate. You see that first direct speed is the fastly rotate. The indirect speed is the slowly rotate. So that is the 6 speed is available. One is direct speed, another is indirect speed. The next, so that is the spindle gear. So this 3 gear is called tumbler gear. The tumbler gear use means that is the lead screw. The lead screw made is called the acme thread. That is operate mechanism. The lead screw is rotating forward and reverse. We use it for the tumbler gear. So the gear is rotating. One gear is clockwise direction. Another gear is rotating for the anti-clockwise direction. So I pressure this gear. It is joined directly. This gear is one and connected here and this connecting. So this speed is same. The third gear, the same direction. So one direction is rotating. You see that? So I want to change the down direction. That directly is applied, so the direction will be changed. So this is the tumbler gear. The tumbler gear is the 3 gear is available. One is the wheel screw direction is forward or reverse using for the tumbler gear. So that gear is called the change gears. So the change gear is using for thread cutting purpose. Whatever which you want, then do the calculation. Which number of thread you want the gear, you fix it. As per the calculation, you fix the gear. The wheel screw is rotating. Which I want to rotate it. So this gear is called spindle gear. This gear is called spindle gear. So that is the main parts and headstop. So that is a driving mechanism or inside the headstop. Then that is the carriage. The carriage is available. We move for the tool is the longitudinal movement, then the cross movement, then the automatic feed, longitudinal movement and the cross movement using for the carriage. So we share the H shape is available. That name is called saddle. That name is called saddle. In the down part, if we fix the down part, this name is called apron. This name is called apron. You see that one is this is the saddle. The saddle down is available for the apron. That is the saddle is back is available for compound rest. The compound rest is the slat is available. Then loose the neck. We rotate the compound rest. We rotate for the 360 degrees. So you want angular turning. That time we are using for the compound rest. The compound rest back is available for tool post. That is called the four-way tool post. The four different types of tool is fixed into the four-way tool post. We loose the neck, we rotate the tool post. If you want which tool, then we rotate and set it. So then we lock it. We tighten it, the tool post is locked. You want any angle, rotate it. So that is called the tool post. So this down is called the apron. The apron is available different spots. So listen, already I told this is a spindle gear. So that is called the tumbler gear. So I lose this leg. So listen, at that time the spindle gear is connecting this gear and this gear is connecting. This is rotating one direction. See that? We are rotating for this direction. Suppose I want a reverse direction, then loose the neck. So the tumbler gear, that gear is next gear will touch it. So I start the machine. It is called anti-clockwise system. So the wheel screw direction is changed forward or reverse. We are using for the tumbler gear. So that is called wheel screw gear. That is called change gears. The change gears is using for thread cutting purpose. So the wheel screw is, you see that here, so that is called the off plate. So I start the machine, this engage is automatically disengage the off plate, it rotates for the reverse direction. I want forward direction, so it changes the wheel screw. Within the tumbler gear will be changed. So I start, so we rotate for the forward direction. Join it, we rotate it for. So we rotating for one direction. In the opposite direction, we go. So that is the off-move mechanism. You want to thread, it is automatically engaged, it is automatically removed. I cut it, disengage the automatic speed remover, I cut it for this one. So that is called the speed, automatic speed for the longitudinal movement and the cross movement. That is the two speed is available and the carriage is moving. So axis is parallel moving the tool is called the carriage longitudinal movement. In the CNC machine, this axis called the Z-axis. Suppose I want this cross speed. So axis perpendicular is the tool is movement. That is called the cross speed. That is called cross speed. In the CNC machine, that speed is called the X direction. So this is the Z direction. This is the X direction. So the apron, that is called the apron. The apron is that is automatic feed. for longitudinary movement and the cross movement. That is a mandate. That handle is moving for the z-axis. That is a longitudinary movement and this is moving for cross speed. So the division is available. So we want that how much movement. We get the 10 division is moving. The cross layer is moving 0.5 mm. But remove the material, 1 mm is removing. So that is whatever you want the diameter, then you move it, then we turn it. So that is one. So that is called the longitudinal movement and reverse. That is called the cross speed and reverse. So that is the off leg. So this is called thread chasing dial. This dial is called thread chasing dial for thread cutting purpose. So that is called the off leg. That is the lead screw. The lead screw is called the acme thread. The lead screw is called acme thread. The lead screw is using automatic speed for cross speed and the longitudinal movement you want, we rotate the thread cutting purpose, we use it for the lead screw. Then that is a compound rush method. That is a compound, we get the angle is available. So we calculate taper turning. We want the taper turning operation. We calculate the degree. We turn it the degree. Then loose the neck. Then loose it. For both neck is available. We loose it. We turn it the compound rush in the angle. So we get in the angle. Then we should whatever angle you want. Then we set it. Then we tie it here. So you want the angle surface, we use it for compound rest. So this is called the tail stock. It is called tail stock. The tail stock is support for the long job. So it's a long job and the drilling operation, reaming operation, the boring or the drilling and reaming. So we use it for the tail stock. The tail stock is available. One spindle is available. The two is available. One is the dead center. This is called the dead center. We fix this dead center. Then we support the job for the neck. That's the long job. We use it for that is a long neck. We rotate the handle. The tail stock is rotate. We remove this, go back. So we remove the toe. So that is called revolving center. So both are the same, but their center is not rotate. The revolving center is rotating purpose. So that both are, we support for the long job, we using for dead center and revolving center. So that is a spindle. We fix the spindle. The taper is available. The taper is called post taper, MT3. So we fix the dead center or revolving center. You want the drilling operation, we fix into the drill chain. Then we fix the drill, we apply the drilling operation, we fix it. Then that is the lock neck position. Loose the neck, I rotate the handle, the spindle is rotated. So inside one key is available, that key name is called the feather key. The feather key is, the spindle is straight moving using for the feather key. Then the tail stock is available, the two steps. So you want some axis is moving. So I loose this neck, I loose the neck, that opposite one neck is available, the set of screw. I tie the neck, this is the move. So we said that is called the straight. I want offset, I want, then loose the neck, then we tie it. So this one will slightly move it. You see that? So slightly move it. So the center is offset. So this is used for one type of the offset method. So that compound rush method using the offset, that is called the taper turning compound rush method. The tail stock is offset. We use the taper turning, that is called the tail stock offset method. So I want the center drill, I want drill, that is called the center. Center means I use in this neck. Then I tie this neck. This is come to the middle of the, you see that. That is the center. So if the one net is available, we lose the net, that is lock net, we lose the net, the tailstock is moving for inner guideways. The carriage is moving for outer guideways, the tailstock is moving for the inner guideways. So that is the main parts of the lathe machine. Again I explain, that is called the leg. The leg is the cast iron. The total weight of the machine is carried into the leg. That is called the bed. The bed is available, three types of the bed. One is V-bed, another is the flat bed, then the combination bed. That is called the inner guideways and outer guideways. The bed is made of cast iron, nickel chromium material. So we see that the bed, that gap is available, that is called the gap bed. I want the big diameter of the jaw. That time I lose the neck, we remove this bed, that is called the gap bed. We remove it, then we fix the big diameter of the jaw. So I want the small diameter, then again we fix it to the bed, that is called the gap bed. So that then is called the headstock, that is the carriage. The carriage is available for apron, saddle, armrest, tool post. The apron is available, longitudinal movement, lever, and the crossbed lever, then the thread chasing dial, then the half plate mechanism, that is the automatic feed for the longitudinal movement and the cross movement lever. So that is all the mechanism are inside the apron. So that is the compound rest. The compound rest is rotating the 360 degree. Whatever angle you want the tap turning operation, that time you are using for the compound rest. The tool post is fixed into the tool. So that is called the tailstock. The tailstock is using for supporting for the long job with help of dead center and revolving center. That is the dead center and revolving center. You got the drilling operation, you should fix into the drill bit, then do the job. So that is the parts of the lathe. Then the accessories, that is work holding device. So there is one type of the work holding device, that is called the check. That is called the lathe check. So it is available. So it is available for the three jaw. That is a one jaw, another jaw, three jaw. That is called the three jaw check. So that is the self-centering check. I use it for, that is called the drill check key. I tight this net. The three jaw is uniformly come close. Not this one. Any key I rotate it is uniformly remove it. So that is called we tight. So whatever I fix the job, I fix the job. Suppose that is job, I fix it the check. So then uniformly we tight it. This check is using for cylindrical job. Then another check is available. The four jaw check, that is a one jaw, three jaw, four jaw is available. That is called the independent check. I tight this net, this lever, that this jaw only moving. If I want this jaw is moving, again this. Again, but that is the independent. Independently move jaw by jaw. So that is using for irregular job. The square job or irregular job is fixed for the four jaw check. So that is the three jaw check, that is the four jaw check. So that is one type of the work holding device. That is called the different types of the work holding device. So this is called the angle plate. So this name is called the base plate. That is called base plate. So this is called the steady rest. The steady rest is permanently fixed into the bed. We fix into the bed and the steady rest is support for long job. That is called the steady rest. This is called the fall over rest. That is called fall over rest. The fall over rest is fixed into the saddle, not the bed. This is fixed into the bed. That is fixed into the saddle. I move the tool. The fall over rest simultaneously move it. That is called the fall over rest. That is the type of the work holding device. Check. That is the angle plate. That is the base plate. This is the steady rest. This is the fall over rest. That is called type of the work holding device. The operation of the machine. The first is turning operation. The turning means reduce the diameter of the job. So listen, I fix the tool in the tool post, I turn it, I fix the tool in, so then we tighten it, then move the job. So listen, I fix the job in the check. So I fully tighten it, immediately I tighten the job. So the tool is fixed. I move the auxiliary movement. The tool is moving for the parallel of the axis. The job is moving for, that is the lathe axis. The lathe axis is the tool is moving the parallel. Is called the Z direction for CNC. When I touch the job, so I put into the depth of cut 1 mm. Then this I move it. The 1 mm is moving. I move the tool for the parallel of the axis. We remove the tool. That operation name is called turning operation. The turning operation means to reduce the diameter of the job. That is called the turning operation. Then move. So that is the turning. So I get lightly angle in the tool. The face of the job or turn it, that is called the facing direction. So the depth of cut is the longitudinal movement and the field is the cross movement. That operation is called the facing. The facing means reduce the length of the job. It is the length of the job, that is called the facing. Next is called the chamfering. Chamfering I use for the tailstock. Then I touch the job. Touch the job is here, then fix. So that time I get the angle. I move the compound rest. The compound rest is the angle lever is available. I rotate the compound rest. The tool is moving for the angle. So we get the chamfer. Then I move it. So that is called the chamfer. So that operation is called chamfer. So first turning, then the palsy, then chamfer. Next, that is called the step turning. So you get the one step, another step, that is the step for the step turning. Then the taper turning. So you see that is called the taper turning. It says the taper turning using for compound rest. That method is called the compound rest method. The taper turning is available the two types of the method. One is the compound rest method that is using for the compound rest. Some formula is available d by d divided by 2l. So we calculate tan inverse, the angle how much we can calculate. We set the angle, then rotate the compound rest, we angularly move it. So that is called the compound rest method. So another method is called tailstock offset method. Tailstock offset method means we fix the job in the long, we straightly fix it, to triangle. I offset already, I told that 2 key is available. Then the tailstock is the center is against of the center, tightly offset. Then we turn it, then move it. That is called the tailstock offset method. The two methods of the taper turning. One is compound rest method, another is tailstock offset method. Then threading. We see that is called the threading. The threading is using for, already I told that this rotating is called the threading. The threading available the two type of the thread. One is the outer thread, another is called internal thread. You see that is available. You see the bolt and net. Bolt is called the external thread, net is called the internal thread. V shape is available, that is called the V thread. Another is called the square thread. Third is called the acme thread. Fourth is called the palm thread. Another is called the knuckle thread. So the angle is a difference. The V thread angle is called, the including angle is called 60 degree. The V thread is, that is the V thread. The V thread angle is called the 60 degree. Then the square thread angle angle is called the 90 degree. Then acme thread, we see the knee screw, all the knee screw is available for the acme thread. Then it's called the palm thread. This is a V thread. So this is a square thread. You see that? That is called the square. That is a square thread. That is called the bomb thread. You see that? Rotate. That is called the bomb thread. That is the different types of the thread. So next is the starting point. One point is available single start thread. Double point or triple point is available for the multi-start thread. So that is a type of the thread. So listen, that is the drill bit. So that is a drilling operation. I fix the drill bit in the drill chip with the help of the tailstock. Then we tight the drill bit. Then I move the tailstock to the nearest of the job. Then we lock it. I start the machine. I move the handle. We remove the material. So that is called the drilling operation. You see that? So that is called drilling operations. The next operation is called the boring. The boring means, so that is called the boring tool. We fix the boring tool here that enlarge the holes. So the big diameter you want, that is called usually for the boring. The boring is available two type of the boring. One is straight boring, another is the taper boring. One is straight boring, another is taper boring. The next operation is called knurling. You see that one knurling tool is available. That is called the knurling operation. The knurling operation use means we grip. So we use the handle is available. That place we want the grip. That time using for the knurling. Next operation called extending turning. So this is not the correct center. You see that one direction, that is one axis, another is the center axis. Two axes is available. That is called the extending turning.